doesn't need his name up in light. He just wants to be heard, whether it's the beat of the mic. He feels so unlike everybody else alone. In spite of the fact that some people still think that they know him, but fuck him, he knows the code. It's not about the salary, it's all about reality and making some noise, making stories, making sure his click stays up. That means when he puts it down.
Kalapak, Paninang Navy City. Hey. Under 4 minutes, 3 minutes and 30 seconds in the fourth and final quarter. Santos with the ball, 14 seconds on shot clock. Santos still has the ball to Pacho. Bilang Edison Guzman, di kiranya dari sebelah. Ribanya Edison Guzman takbo. Dorong di Pacho. Hey! What a nice steal. Tarine! What a nice defensive play. Para Edison Pacho. 2 points out para Edison Tarine. Counter, we go. Sibal, Victoria. And a foul on number 16. Last 3 minutes in the fourth quarter, 52-46. Anim. Paso, 14 seconds on the shot clock. Nasundutan, same ball. 13 to shoot. Bobiles to Guzman. 10 seconds on the shot clock. To Santos. Santos nag-iisang tao. Mr. Victoria, si Toby, bigay muna. Mr. Mercado. Back to Mr. Victoria. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Binigay down low. Mr. Mercado, pinigili shot na naman yan. Favorite shot pa Madol. Apat na lang kalamangan. 102 minutes. 92 minutes and 17 seconds. Paso to Santos. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Guzman, behind the back pass. Binalik kay Guzman, titira ng tres. Wala, rebound secured. Mr. Garcia, last 2 minutes. It's brought to you by BBL Sports in Action, our official outfitter. Winterbacks 2025, San Roque National High School. Time out! Meron na kayo tig-isang time out, both teams. In the final canto, Brats 2002 holding on to a prestigious 4-point lead. Ay, binalik bola ni Sergio Santos. Santos drives, Santos floater! That's that. And we have a whistle. Basket.
Number 90.
I'm sorry. Sorry, Red. Who's foul? Red.
Number 19.
Number 19, Red. Pushing foul. Basket is count. Basket is count, but we have a foul on number 19, Red. Bobiles. Graduate na yan. Mr. Bobiles. Graduate na. 5 fouls.
5 personal foul.
That's a big blow para sa batch 2002. Anim lang kalamangan. Sibal. Batch 2002 with a full court man-to-man. Mercado. Babajol. Wala. Rebound. Secured by Malyari. Malyari with the ball. Big again, Mr. Santos. 14 seconds on the shot clock. 1 minute and 22 seconds. Pacho. 8 seconds on the shot clock. Give and go na naman yan. Pacho. Chocolate. To shoot for batch 99, a minute and 17 seconds remaining. 8-point lead for the batch 2002. Pressure para sa batch 99 to make a field goal para mapanatili. Mercado, bobomba, Mercado, wala. Rebound para kay Mr. Sibal. Sibal lalabas. 10 seconds to shoot. Mercado bibilit, bibigay kay Garcia. Yes sir. 1 minute and 5 seconds. Warning for delaying the game. Number 9, Garcia. 6-point lead. 1 minute and 5 seconds. Bola. And a foul. Wala pa. Third team foul. Second and third team foul para both teams. Third 99. Second team foul batch 2002. A minute and 4. Anim kalamangan. Pacho inbounding. And that's a violation. Walang field goal dyan. Hindi ka pwede maglakad. Yung bangke kasi na po yun. Tiro na yan ka rin, no? May pwede nilakad itong initiative bola. Time out! Watch 2002! Mercado. Mr. Mercado kay Mr. Garcia. Ay! Nasundo na yan. Turnover. And a foul on Mr. Mercado. Ang sportsmanlike foul pa yan. Aray Mr. Mercado. 2 shots plus ball possession. Crucial turnover. And an unsportsmanlike foul. Third shot on Mr. Santos. Wala. Second shot. Wala ba yan? 0-2. Sayang. Pwede ng pang-sim sana. Sa pakilala nito. Araneta labas. Both teams, no timeouts left. Inbound to Mr. Pacho. Mr. Pacho to number 25. 8 seconds on the shot clock. Pacho drives, floater. Mr. Mercado may got a foul. Number 21, Tarine. Graphic gun. Mr. Tarine. Graduated day. 45 seconds. Isang press lang, pwede pa yan. Nagpoto with the ball. Bibigay bola. Mr. Garcia. Binigay kay Mr. Magpoto. Sorry, Mercado. Apat lang yan. 37 seconds. To Santos. Bibigay Pacho. Bola. Mr. Mercado nawala bola. Ibigay Mr. Sibal. Sibal is on. It's good. 20 seconds. Last 20 seconds. Last 20 seconds. Okay, ito. Mr. Maydani. Tawag na Mr. Sibal. Last 5 seconds. 54-60. Last score. Garcia. Mr. Mercado. And a team. Mr. Sanchez all around. 3 seconds. 3 seconds. 3 seconds. 3 seconds. Bakit? At